Welcome to Who Are These Startups? Podcast shorts featuring founder interviews of Canadian startups.
It's a startup coach here, and I'm back at Collision, and I'm at the Team Pumpkin booth. Tell me about Team Pumpkin and what's going on here.
Team Pumpkin is part of the global TPGC group of companies, and we are a 12-year-old corporation. We are across 5 continents, 400 plus clients, and 1,000 plus projects. So we, in a nutshell, the way I usually describe it is when you see the list of Fortune 500 companies, in no particular order, 10 to 15%, will be our clients. Yeah.
I've heard nothing but good things about startups who's worked with you. What kind of startups or companies do you look to help?
So our main bread and butter is obviously full stack technology and marketing solutions for bigger corporations and governments, but that allows us to have our own startup enablement program where we do product acceleration, where we enable startups with developing products in a cost plus equity format. And usually the way we shortlist our startups, our core philosophy is existing industries that are there for quite some time, maybe over a decade, have gone mundane, have gone stale. There are a couple of monopolies that are just enjoying that staleness. We like startups that are challenging that staleness.
So I see you do all sorts of marketing. How do you help companies raise awareness and get customers in the modern age?
Right. So we do technology solutions and marketing solutions. So when you talk about raising awareness, that's part of our marketing division, wherein we do everything that a traditional marketing company would do. We do the digital, we do full stack digital, right from SEO, social media, all that. But we go a step further than that because we feel that, yes, while it's important to have those channels of marketing live, but in the end, they are just a budget war. So I might have more budget than you. There's a higher probability I might win. So we've introduced something called tech-enabled marketing, wherein we use augmented reality, artificial intelligence, CGI even, and we also have our in-house production studios that we use to propel those brands forward, which their competitors might not be able to do at this stage.
And when should companies reach out to Team Pumpkin?
Sorry?
When should companies reach out to Team Pumpkin?
Oh, teampumpkin.ca.
Fantastic. Thanks for talking to me today.
Thank you so much, Craig.
This has been Who Are These Startups? Find out more at whoarethesestartups.com and check out our live events at TorontoStarts.com/events.